Some reasons that children use drugs and alcohol. There are actually quite a few. Some of them are very basic and normal, and others, they go a little deeper depending on the person's situation. But let's start with the very basic. Most of us like to feel good. We enjoy certain things, we have interests, we have hobbies, we have friends, we have things that we enjoy in life. Well, drugs and alcohol make a person enjoy those things even more because they sort of attack the pleasure part of our brain. So the first reason is children will use them to feel good. There are coping reasons, and that's kind of a form of coping right there. But there are other problems in life that people have. Not everybody's life inside their home is going well. There could be a lot of stress. Besides that, what kind of relationships do these kids have with other siblings, their parents? Is there open communication? Do we talk about these things at home? Do we find ways to cope with life's problems without turning to an avoidance technique like substances? The one that we cannot avoid would be the peer pressure. That's very common, and it's not just a cliche, but peer pressure is significant for children, teenagers, and adults. We are all affected by peer pressure. Who wants to be the person who isn't doing something or is different than others? So, associations. That is so common, not only with getting started with alcohol and drugs, but maintaining the use. Who is the person associating with? What are they into? What do they do? How is their family life? What kind of problems are they dealing with? If they're using substances, most likely the other child that's hanging around with them is going to take part in them also. So those are some of the reasons that children use substances.
Great.